Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe. My dear students, as today is Sunday and the date is 18th of April 2021, this is your mathematics class with your maths teacher, Miss Amara. My dear students, our today's topic is based on subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers, and we know that the words that we use for the subtraction are leave, subtract, less, minus, take away, difference, etc. So let's learn about the subtraction. Subtraction is taking one number away from another. Other names used in subtraction are minus, less, difference, decrease, take away, and deduct. And the sign that we use for the subtraction is this sign. So, I hope you all have recalled your memory now because we have already learned about the subtraction in our previous lesson. So now let us come towards the terms of subtraction, as we know that the terms are the names of different parts of an equation. Equation means a question. So here we have three terms for the subtraction. The first one is minuend, the number that is to be subtracted from. The second one is subtrahend, the number that is to be subtracted. And the third one is the difference. And difference is the result of subtraction, or you can say the answer of subtraction. So now let us learn through some examples that how we can subtract 5-digit numbers. So here we have this example. We have two numbers and we know that always we have to start from ones because we are doing the subtraction with regrouping. And subtraction of numbers can be done by borrowing a number from the next higher place value of the greater number. Now, we have to write the number according to the place value, and the number must be under the other number. So if we look at the ones place, we have 2 at the top, that is smaller. So we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So what to do now? We have to borrow from the next higher place value, that is 10th. So from 3 we have to take 1 and we'll give 2 ones, and this digit will become 12 now, and 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. So as we have borrowed from 3, it becomes 2 now. Borrows from 4, it becomes 3. So again we have to borrow, and this is 13. And my dear students, 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Yes, now come to the hundreds value, that is 4 minus 3. Again we have to move in the same way to the next numbers. So here we can say that the difference of these two numbers is 4,368. So here the top number is called minuend and the bottom number is called subtrahend. Now let us take the example of 6-digit numbers. So here we have two numbers with us. 542,372 and 2 138,491. And my dear students, if we don't read this number according to international system, then always we take the place value in lakhs instead of million. So first of all, we have to place the numbers in the place value chart and columns in a correct way. So in the second step, we have to subtract the digits in the ones column. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Then the next is 7 minus 9. That is not possible. So we have to borrow from 3 and we have to make it as 17. So 17 minus 9 will be, yes, it will be 8. And now again, we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So again, we have to borrow from the next column. That is 1000. And this becomes 1 now. And this is 12. So now we have to subtract 12 minus 4 in the hundreds column. And 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. Now move to the next column. So here is 1. Again we have to borrow from the next column. And now it will be 11. And the 10,000th column, there is 3 now. Because 1 we have borrowed. So now 11 minus 8 will be equals to 3. And 3 minus 3 is equals to 0 in 10,000th column. And then million or lakhs will be equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So we can say that the difference of 5,42,372 and 2,38,491 is equals to 3,03,881. So I hope, my dear students, now it's more clear to you that how you can subtract 5 and 6-digit numbers. So now you all have to do the practice and don't worry about your mistakes. You know what this math stands for? Mistakes allow thinking to happen. So if you will do the mistake, it means you are learning something new. So thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.